For a long time now, job site foremen and independent mechanics have assumed that the best quality parts come from the OEM. You've heard the stories of junk metal being crammed into a box and shipped out to a customer in desperate need of repair, only to have the part break shortly after install. We've heard them too. But as suppliers of quality aftermarket parts, we know that's not the case everywhere. So just what is the difference? That's what we want to show you. In the end, it can save you downtime on the job, and most importantly, money. The OEM stands on its reputation for quality, but anymore, that's really the only edge they have over quality aftermarket suppliers, their name. More often than not, the OEMs don't even make their own parts. They contract it out to other manufacturers. Now, a lot of our parts are made by the same manufacturers OEMs contract with to make their parts. They're made exactly the same, meeting and exceeding OEM specifications. With a quality aftermarket supplier like HHP, any updates or improvements to the diesel engine component from the OEM will be included in the aftermarket specifications. In the end, you'll be getting a better working part for less money. A warranty is one of those things that you never want to use, but you're always glad to have. Most OEMs give you a warranty on their parts, usually 6 months to a year. And that's fine, but wouldn't you rather have better? Our suppliers stand behind the quality of their products so much, in most cases the warranty on our parts is double that of the OEM, giving you peace of mind that what you're installing into your machine can withstand anything you throw at it. Most importantly, you'll be saving anywhere from 30 to 50% off OEM pricing with aftermarket parts. With numerous nationwide distribution centers across the country, most orders arrive in 2 days directly to your shop. Chat with us on highwayandheavyparts.com on your smartphone, tablet, computer for parts or technical service and support, or call us at 844-447-1453. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to us on Facebook and YouTube. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.